strong wind and also for large hail. That includes Middle Valley, Snow Hill, and Soddy Daisy. And then finally we'll take you up into Knoxville, and this cell not quite as strong looking as it once was looking, but still showing us some circulation, some stronger wind, and that is a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox and Anderson counties. That's going until 8:45 this evening. We'll take another look at that tornado warning coming up here in just a moment. Jim, over to you.
All right, Carl, you know, these storms all move through Nashville as well, so we got some big storms there and big stories to tell as well. Right now, to look at the radar, it is now off to the east, so we are in the clear right now in Nashville. We'll go out and assess the damage here very shortly, maybe tomorrow morning. We've had reports of large hail, tree damage, and even 68-mile-per-hour winds. Well, the Weather Channel's Dave Malkoff has been there, and he went through this. Dave, what can you tell us about it?
Well, that tornado warning that Carl was just showing us is a good 100 miles from us. You would have to get on I-65 south to get there in the Huntsville area. That is where that tornado warning is happening. We had a few right here in this area where we had tornado watch sirens going off all around us several times. It was a scary time for about a half an hour. We had a lot of rain coming down in the downtown Nashville area, not far from the Country Music Hall of Fame. We have the wind there. That is where we are right now. We stood here. We had lightning going on all around us. Cars were still on the roadway. Remember, this was rush hour. Everybody trying to get home for the Easter weekend. But if you can, kind of take a listen to what it sounded like when we had that storm coming through. Listen to it for a couple seconds. Downtown metro area here in Nashville, and as those were happening,
It's not happening in your life. It's not gonna hit us.
Now that the sun has gone down, we didn't really get much sun. We got a couple minutes of sun throughout the day. Well, it peeked through some holes in the sky and the cloud cover, but now that the sun has gone down, we've really felt a dip in the temperature. Speaking of dip in the temperature, we could have frost by Easter morning. Frost on the ground, so that's going to make it harder to find some of those Easter eggs, Carl.
No doubt about that, and we're going to take another look at this tornado warning here that is now just to the north of the Alabama-Tennessee state line. We are getting some reports of some damage, and severe weather expert Dr. Greg Forbes is here to take a look at this. And it's sort of a hybrid between a supercell and a bow echo. It's actually a bow echo that has a rotating comma head shape to it. You see here the comma, like there's the comma, the punctuation mark, and the rotation is up in that comma head. So there could be widespread damage winds ahead of that, and maybe a little bit of a tornado behind that. So this could be the kind of tornado that could be rain wrapped. Taking a look here, we see the high definition radar, and that's what I'm talking about. There's the bow echo that I was talking about. There's the comma head that I was talking about, and the circulation located right by.
It's just for the top of our county. It's above us. Yeah. That thing's hurting my ears, man.
For the possibility of hail and damaging winds in Franklin and Lawrence County. Phil Campbell, the city of Phil Campbell, you can be on your guard, as we could see this strong thunderstorm produce that large hail, perhaps wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. A tornado warning right here
right
along the
down
Alabama-Tennessee border. Lincoln and Madison counties under this warning for the possibility of tornadoes. We've seen a lot of damage already due to very gusty winds, and as this continues on its eastern track, New Hope, Keys Mill by 7:48, Newmarket by 7:55. We'll be
It's not
watching
gonna hit
the
us.
threat of tornadoes making its way into portions of northern Alabama here. As we mentioned, the wind gusts have already caused some damage. As a matter of fact, in Elkton, Tennessee, a large equipment shed has been destroyed. We've also seen a truck flipped over on Benton Mill Road near the town of Ardmore. So there's already been threats of severe weather, and we could see tornadoes along with this as well. So numerous warnings extend here into Grundy, Van Buren counties into portions of southern Tennessee. Chattanooga, this is off toward the north of you. In Marion County, we're watching the